Titans of the Tarmac, the world of truck shows. All right, folks, buckle up. Forget your quiet Sunday drives, forget your average car meet. We're diving headfirst into a world where chrome gleams brighter than the sun, engines roar like thunder, and artistry rolls on 18 wheels. We're talking about truck shows. So, what is a truck show? Imagine a festival, a gallery, a competition, and a family reunion all rolled into one, celebrating the unsung heroes of our highways, the magnificent big rigs. These aren't just workhorses. At a truck show, they transform into mobile masterpieces. We're talking about colossal Kenworths, powerful Peterbilts, sleek Scanias, and mighty Macs, each one a testament to passion, pride, and painstaking detail. The heart of any truck show is the show and shine. This is where owners, often owner-operators who live and breathe trucking, display their rigs. And believe me, the word shine is an understatement. Every inch of chrome, from the towering exhaust stacks to the gleaming fuel tanks and intricate wheel nuts, is polished to a mirror finish. Custom paint jobs explode with color, intricate murals, and mind-blowing airbrush art that would make a gallery owner weep with joy. Step inside the cab, and you're in a luxury lounge on wheels. Custom upholstery, mood lighting, incredible sound systems. It's a showcase of dedication, countless hours, and sheer love for these machines. But it's not just about looking good. Truck shows are a symphony for the senses. Listen. That's the sound of power. Many shows feature light shows as dusk falls. Imagine rows upon rows of these titans illuminated by thousands of custom LED lights, pulsing and changing color, turning the showgrounds into a dazzling, almost alien landscape. It's pure spectacle. And then there's the community. Truck shows are a gathering of the tribe. Drivers share stories from the road, tips on customization, and a mutual respect for the demanding lifestyle. Families come out, kids marvel at the sheer size of these giants, and aspiring truckers get inspired. You'll find vendors selling everything from polishing supplies to miniature model trucks, and of course, plenty of good food. It's a vibrant, welcoming atmosphere, united by a passion for these incredible vehicles that keep our world moving. Beyond the gleaming chrome, some shows even feature working truck competitions, showcasing driver skill, or displays of vintage trucks, preserving the history of road transport. You might see specialized rigs, from heavy haulers to custom tow trucks. Each show has its own unique flavor, but the common thread is admiration for the engineering, the artistry, and the spirit of the open road. These shows are a tribute to an industry that's the backbone of our economy, often unseen, but always essential. So, the next time you hear about a truck show in your area, don't just picture a parking lot full of semis. Picture a dazzling display of passion, power, and personality. Picture rolling art, thundering engines, and a community celebrating the titans of the tarmac. It's an experience you won't forget. Go check one out.